Namaste everybody and welcome to this episode of a journey into Carnatic music. The past month has witnessed the Jayantis of the Mummurtigal, Saint Tyagaraja, Sri Shama Shastri, Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. Another momentous event was the anointment of Satya Chandrasekharendra Saraswati as the Shankaracharya of Kanchipuram. So one felt, what better way on this auspicious Friday than to sing a song by Sri Shama Shastri on the goddess of Kanchipuram, Parvati. So the song is a gem that was rendered very famous by my guru, Sri Sangeeta Kalanidhi D.K. Jayaraman sir. It is unique in every way. As you listen to the song, you will understand. And you know, the name itself is something so unique. Kalkada, not Calcutta, which is of course now Kolkata. But anyway, it is in Adi Talam Tishragati. So it will go like this, because you know Adi Talam is this 4 plus 4. If it is Tishragati, then each beat has 3 subbeats. Takkita, 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 takkita. So before we do the song, let me just sing it. It's not very big. Here goes. Parvati ninnu neranamiti shukapani brovu paraki kainila sushile Parvati ninnu neranamiti shukapani brovu paraki kainila sushile Parvati ninnu. That's a Pallavi. Girvana bandita padasarasa sangita lole suguna jagale. Sangita lole suguna jagale. Rasa sangita lole suguna jagale. Jala mile kamakshi Parvati ninnu Charanam. Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Shankare Gauri. Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Shankare Gauri. Gunadama Kama Pita Vasini. Gunadama Kama Pita Vasini. Amba Gunadama Kama Pita Vasini. Shambhavi Mridani Parvati ninnu neranamiti shukapani brovu paraki kanila sushile Parvati ninnu. Well, that's it. Starting with the Swaraksharam Pa, Parvati, Parvati ninnu. Parvati ninnu in the first part, and you can see that Pa of Parvati goes on till the 3rd beat. Parvati ninnu. So if you were to break it up as Takita, Takita is where Vati starts of Parvati. The third beat of this in the Tishragati. Parvati Ninu Ne. So here once again it starts in the fourth. Neranam Miti Shukapani. Similarly with Shukapani. So Parvati Neranam Miti Shukapani, all these start at an intermediate point of the beat, which is actually 2 away. If you take each beat to have 3 subbeats, this is at the 3rd subbeat. You understand what I mean? I hope. Parvati Ninu Ne. 1, 2. Neranam Miti Shukapani. So Pani, Brovo is at the tattu. Brovo Paraki Kainela Sushile. So if I were to break it into its swaras, Pa Pada Pada Paga Pa Gappa Gare Sa Sadada Re Sa Sa Da Pa Pa Re Sa Sa. To go back, Par. What it's like a fancy dive. Par. Pasapa is a rough way of translating it into its swaras. Par. Vatirinu. Rest is the same. Neranam Miti Shukapani Brovo Paraki Kanela Sushile Parvati Ninu Ne. To finish off, Anupallavi is really like a waltz. Takkita takkita takkit Girvana Vandita Pada. Very simple, very straightforward. Pada Paga Pagarega Pagareza Girvana Vandita Pada Sa Rasa Sang. Sa Rasa. All this while we were singing taking the second syllable at point 3, but here Sa Rasa starts at point 2. Gir, all this is in the tattu. Girvana Vandita Pada. Pada is also 1 after the tattu. Pada Sa Rasa. You understand what I mean? Rasa Sang. Sada Sare Sare Regapa. Girvana Vandita Pada Sa Rasa Sang. Pada Paga Paga Rega Pagareza Sada Sare Sare Regapa. Next line. Geet. Once again it's very simple, like a waltz. Geeta Lona Sugudna Jagane. I'm sure that came as a surprise if you have not heard this song before. What a beautiful addition of the second Daivatam. Geeta Lola Sugudna Jagane. Sangeeta Papaga Patavada Sa 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 Da Da Pa Da Da Pa. Geeta Lola Sugudna Jaga. Everything at the beats. Pada 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 Sa 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 Da Da Pa. Geeta Lola Sugudna Jagane. Give a long carve. Sangeeta. Geeta becomes Sangeeta. Sangeeta Lola Sugudna Jagane. Rasa Sangeeta. Look at the beautiful play on the words. Sa Rasa. Sa Rasa. Rasa Sangeeta. And that Rasa comes once again at the point 3. 1, 2. रस संगीत लोल सुगुण जाले जाल मिले कामाक्षी जाल मिले कामाक्षी 4 I mean 2 1 2 gada paga pagareza jala mile kamakshi geetalola suguna jagale jala mile kamakshi parvati ninu ne. That was the Anupallavi. For the first time, we start away from the samam at the charanam. So it goes like this. Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Gaga Pada Saga Pagareza. We all know that the mudra of Shama Shastri is Shama Krishna Sodari. Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Shankare Sasare Gariga Shama Gaga Pada Saga Pagareza Sasare Gariga Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Shankare Gauri Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva. First one was Shama Krishna Sasaga. Second one, once again, you're plunging into the ocean of Kalkada Ragam. Shama Krishna Swadari Shiva Gaga Pada Saga Pagareza. Shama Krishna Swadari Shiva Shankari Gauri. Shama Krishna Sodari Shiva Shankari Gauri. Gaga Pada Saga Pagareza Sasare Gapa Gapadapa Gunadhama. Now it comes just like the Anupallavi line. Gunadhama Kama Pitha Vasini. Gunadhama Kama Pitha Vasini. Amba now. Amba Gunadhama Kama Pitha Vasini. You have one more Sangati. Gunadhama Kama Pitha Vas. Just a little bit of variety. So instead of doing everything at the samam, Gama Kama. Here, what we say Udukals in Tamil, just move it a little bit, a fraction of, it's actually one akshara after the beat, and you make up by shortening the length of the next syllable. It goes this way. Gama, Kama, Pita, like this. Gama, Kama, Pita, Vasini, Shambhavi Mridani. Small change here. If you looked at the Anupallavi, you started Jala Mele at this point number 3 here. Jala Mele Kamakshi. When you're singing Shambhavi Mridani, you're taking it a little later, one beat after the Vicha. Shambhavi Mridani, Gama, Kama, Pitha Vasini. Shambhavi Mridani, Gama, Kama, Pitha Vasini. Shambhavi Mridani, Parvati Ninu Neranam Miti Shukapani Rovu Paraki Kainila Sushile Parvati Ninu. Well, I'm sure you'll agree with me that this was like a small piece of cut diamond that throws its brilliance through the lyrics, through the sahitya, through the thala complexities for which Shyama Shastri was well known, and above all by the raga bhava and the bhakti bhava with which the composer has infused this song. I hope you found it easy. I am attaching the notation along with this video, and as usual, should you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to get them clarified on the YouTube itself comment section, or you can email me at my email address varalakshmi.anand@gmail.com. Till the next time, let us not forget to pray for our nation. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.